Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Jaiswal and I am from IHM Kolkatta. Today I am going to make Chilka Roti. Like first sanitize our hand. And start working. So we need rice and pulses, cumin powder, black pepper powder and refined oil. Rice and pulses I have soaked 2 hours before. Now first we will make a paste of it. My paste is ready. As you can see, it is little thick, so we will put the soaked water in it so that it will be thin. Now we will add cumin powder, and pepper powder and mix it. My batter is ready. Now we will heat the pan. My pan is heated. Now I will put the oil on it and let it roll over. Now I will put my batter on it and let it spread. Slightly spread it with the spatula. Now I will turn this. You can see it has turned lightly brown. And let the other side also turn brown. My Chilka roti is ready. I've served it with my sweet mango pickle.